guys? Welcome to FPG. Can you hear the TV? Another game of Nelson. Yeah. I just love solo deck. Holy guacamole. Today we're nah, dude. Today shut up. Okay, I have a surprise for you. I have a surprise. Really? Yes. I have a surprise. I have a surprise. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait. This is what you get, God! Okay, should I make that a save? Yeah. I was so cool. Setting it. Wounding it. Okay. Okay. Should I make this a save? I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. But I'm gonna save it. So, not that! Can you can you hear the TV? Oh my goodness gracious! Oh, I'm just gonna Okay, make this a what? But I made a new version. Riot. Version 13 weekly of Riot Hell. Riot Hell versus Riot Hell versus Heaven. You the Riot Shield. Okay, that's it then. That's it. Bye.